Adding a WhatsApp link to your Canva design sounds like it should be one click away, but for some reason, the option feels hidden when you actually need it. If you are making a digital business card or a flyer, a broken link or a missing button means you are losing customers who just want to chat with you. I'm going to show you exactly how to turn any text or icon into direct line to your phone. And stick around until the end because I have a specific trick for making these links work on mobile devices where most Canva links actually fail. The reason this gets confusing is that Canva treats links as a secondary layer of a data. It's not like a website builder where every button has a big link box right next to it. In Canva, you are essentially embedding a hidden URL into a visual element. Most people mess this up by trying to link the entire text box instead of the specific words. And they use the wrong URL format, which makes the link open a browser error instead of the WhatsApp app. If your link does not start with the right prefix, the phone does not know it needs to open a messaging app and it just sits there doing nothing. Let us get this fixed right now. Start by opening your browser and heading over to your Canva homepage. Click that Create Design button in the top right corner and pick the element you are working on. Once your project is open, look at the left side menu and click on the text option. You want to click Add a heading or just select a piece of text you already have on your page. Type out something like chat with us or message on WhatsApp. Now, look at the floating toolbar right above your selected text. You will see three little dots on the right side of that bar. Click those dots to reveal more settings, and you will see an icon that looks like a chain link. That is your link tool. When you click it, a box pops up asking for a URL. This is where most people fail. Do not just type your phone number. You need to type the official WhatsApp API link, which is wa.me/, followed by your full phone number, including the country code, but without any plus signs or zeros at the beginning. Once that is in there, hit enter or click done. Now, for that pro tip I promised you, if you want to make sure your link actually covered, do not just link the text. Go to the Elements tab and search for a WhatsApp logo. Place it next to your text and repeat the exact same linking process for the icon itself. People are much more liked to tap a bright green logo than a small piece of underlined text. Also, you must download the design in PDF format because this is the only format in Canva that supports hyperlinks.